Let's play hide and seek. Find and tap on Bobby. Bobby is behind the treasure. Correct. Can you find Lisa? Lisa is on the whale. Well done. Find and tap on Cowie. Cowie is in. Brilliant. Fish. 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 Well done. Fish. You found fish. All your friends. Fish. Fish. Today we're at the construction site. Can you help our friends get the vehicle they need? Tap the right vehicle. Elliot needs the dump truck. Don't worry, let's try again. Elliot wants the dump truck. Our friends have work to do. Elliot needs the dump truck. That's not what we need. Congratulations! Elliot wants the crane. Elliot, well done! Elliot wants the concrete mixer truck. That's not what we need. That's it! Elliot wants the bulldozer. Well done! Elliot is looking for the steamroller. Not quite. Let's try again. Elliot wants the steamroller. Keep going. We're almost done. Great job! You did it! See you soon!
We're playing in the factory today. Let's have fun together in the factory.
We need to catch 3 beakers. Tap right to move right. 1 beaker. 2 beakers. 3 beakers.
Good job, Callie.
We need to catch 5 magnifying glasses. 1 magnifying glass. 2 magnifying glasses. 3 magnifying glasses. 4 magnifying glasses. Move the wagon to catch the items. Magnifying glasses.
I loved playing with you, Callie. This was so much fun, Lisa.